In this video, I want to show you how to prepare channel shifting map of river from land use land cover map in ArcGIS. This is very useful in river monitoring, irrigation farming, and other area of application. So I'll show you how to do it effectively in ArcGIS. So the first thing we are going to do is to bring in our classified land use land cover map. In the previous video, I've shown you how to classify land use land cover map from satellite image on different platforms like Google Earth Engine, QGIS and ArcGIS, so you can watch those previous videos. However, in this video, we will just start from already classified land use land cover map. So I can connect to my folder, and then I'm using about 3 epochs. This is 2017 land use land cover. I'll just drag and drop, and then 2021 land use land cover map, and also 2024 land use land cover map. And I can also bring the boundary of my study area. So the boundary of my study area, let me make it hollow and click on OK. So here I have my land use land cover map of different epoch: 2024, 2021 and 2017. We have about 6 to 7 different classes. However, our attention will be on the water bodies. So we want to see how the river channel has been shifting through the years in this study area. And to do that is quite simple, and of course there are different approaches to it. One of the approach to get this shifting river channel map is to convert your land use land cover map to vector, and from there you can extract your river or water bodies, then you carry out the analysis. The other way around is that you can do it in raster format. So I'll show you how to do it in raster format. So to get that done is quite simple as well. To make it simple, we are going to give the same color for different classes in each epoch. That is, water body in 2024 should be the same color with water body in 2021 and 2017. So what we can do, right click and open properties. So when it opens, this water body, I want to give it this blue color, and then sparse vegetation, let it be this color, while flooded vegetation should be this color, and then farmland this color. Then dense vegetation, I'm giving it green leaf or leaf green, then built up to be red, and of course bare surface, let's make it this 40% gray and click on OK. Yes, so that we can see the river channel clearly. Similarly, we are going to do the same for year 2021. So just open the properties, then water body, I'm giving it this color, sparse vegetation this color, flooded vegetation, I'm giving it this, farmland this color, and dense vegetation leaf green. Built up is going to be red, and then bare surface 40% gray. Click on OK. So I'll do the same for the last one. Water body this color, sparse vegetation, flooded vegetation this color, then farmland, I'm giving it this color, dense vegetation this color, built up red, and then bare surface 40% gray, and then click on OK. So such that each class has the same color in each epoch. So we want to see the shifting of the river channel, and to do that we are going to remove all other classes and then remaining only river channel or water body. to do that, for 2024, right click and open the properties. So now select all other classes. I'll click to select the first one, hold the shift key and click on the last one. Then I've selected all, I'll click on remove and click on OK. Let me uncheck this and this. So you can see here is the river channel or water bodies for year 2024. You can see the water body. Then for 2021 also, right click the layer and open the properties. Select all other classes except water bodies and click on remove. Click on OK. Then for year 2017, right click and open properties. Select all other classes except water bodies and click on remove. Click on OK. Now as it is, because they are the same color, you cannot see the difference. So we have to give different color for each epoch. So let year 2024 be this color. Then for year 2021, I'll give it a different color. So to do that, right click again and open properties. Then let's give it a different color. Double click. For example, I want to give it red. I'll click on OK. Then for 2017, right click and open properties. Double click here and let's give it this color. Click on OK. Then we have to do overlay, that is, we want to arrange it in such a way that we can see the difference. This, however, depending on how the changes has occurred. For example, if you look at here, as at 2024, you can see the water body in blue. You can see how the river channel is. But in 2021, the river channel reached this area in red. As you can see how it looks like. And in 2017, the waters was here in this purple color. So visually you can see, and of course you can rearrange. Let's say 2024 should come down, followed by 2021. Let's bring it here, and you can see the changes, how the water body changes during this epoch. So in 2024, the water body cover areas up to this blue color. You can see how the rivers has been shifting through the epoch. So in 2017, the water bodies cover up to this area. But if I uncheck it, you can see that in 2021, the water bodies covers other areas apart from the area it's covered in 2017. So now let's prepare the map. If you are okay with this arrangement, the visualization is okay with you like this, then take it to layout. And then let me use an existing template. I'll click here. Let me use landscape and click on finish. Then I'll need to change the orientation. Come to file, page and setup, choose landscape and click on OK. Yes, you can see. Then you can right click and zoom to layer. And then let's check our study area boundary. Then the next thing we can do, edit other map elements. Let's do that. So add all your map elements and you can see how the map looks like. This is channel shifting map of river extracted from land use land cover map. So you can now export your final map by coming to file, click on export. Let's call it map for instance and click on OK. or save. Then if you go to that folder, here is our map. Yes, here is our channel shifting map of our study area. So I hope this tutorial is helpful to someone. Thank you for watching.